your mind.
Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Eric with Muscle Cars with Eric coming at you for another episode of What's in Your Garage. And this time, surprise, we are in Kingman, Arizona at Bad Gas Garage once again. The coolest shop for customization in the whole wide world. And as you can see behind me, we have a 1969 GTX convertible 440 6-pack waiting for you to watch.
This is Larry. We're watching Muscle Cars with Eric.
All right, hey guys, remember it's Eric, Muscle Cars with Eric. We're in Kingman, Arizona, and I got my new best friend in the whole wide world. And I'll tell you what, this cat is a really cool cat. We met him once, and it feels like we've been friends forever. His name is Larry, and he's got this beautiful 1969 Plymouth GTX. And Larry, first of all, thank you. It's an honor and a pleasure to be here shooting this video of this beautiful car and you. So, tell us a little bit about this car. I love the color, but how long have you had it?
I've had it 4 years.
Okay.
And just a short time in ownership standards.
Okay.
We were looking for a Mopar. My wife and I decided that we wanted a GTX.
Okay.
And she found this one online and said that's the one we have to have.
Well, that's cool.
So what does that make ownership easy when your wife is behind something?
Exactly.
Like this?
Yes.
Yeah.
So now how did you decide on a GTX as opposed to a Roadrunner, as opposed to a Charger, as opposed to any other car out there for 1969? What allowed you, or what prompted you to buy the GTX?
My wife had a Mopar when she was young. She had a 67 Charger, 383 4-speed car. She loved it. And that's where we got started on the Mopar side. We've owned others. We've had Fords and Chevys and whatever, and we decided that it was time for us to have a Mopar.
Okay.
And when we started looking around, we saw runners, we saw the GTXs, and we decided the GTX was one we want because they were built a little more upscale than the runners were.
Okay.
And I think they were called the gentleman's muscle car.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, that was the reference, and that was a marketing ploy that Chrysler had for the car.
That's cool.
Back in the 60s. So anyway, we got to looking around. We looked around quite a ways locally, Las Vegas, other places, and she found this one in Kansas City.
Oh, no kidding.
We have a daughter and her family that lived there, so we made arrangements, bought the thing, and had it delivered back here about 4 years ago. We've just enjoyed the heck out of it.
Man, this car is so cool. And also, the convertible top. I mean, ain't nothing more fun than rolling around a convertible top. Yeah. And you got something there in your hand.
I do.
What is this?
It's a Chrysler Registry.
Okay.
And it talks about how many cars are made and what the registry is all about. And you can take a look at what it says about it.
Now, that's something really cool to be proud of, man.
You bet.
Yeah. That's neat, dude.
That was one of the points that we liked about the cars, because there's tribute cars, GTXs out there. They didn't make a lot of them, obviously.
Right.
584 convertibles in 69. And anyway, that was another thing that attracted us to this car, and the fact
was the registry.
That's right. And the fact that it had extraordinary documentation and everything that was done from the car starting.
So there's a build book you have on us?
There is.
Oh, good for you.
I've got a couple of books, as a
That's cool.
matter of fact. And,
nice.
Receipts on everything you can imagine on the car.
Well, why don't we start up here at the front? Because when we first met, I saw you rolling. Well, actually, I rolled up here. It was a Pharaoh's Car Club meeting. Was it the first Friday of the month?
Every Friday.
Every Friday morning here?
Every Friday morning, not here.
Oh, different locations.
Generally at the clubhouse. Every couple of months we're invited to come down here to Bad Gas.
Okay.
This is where we hold our meeting.
And that's where I met you, saw you, and what popped me was, first of all, it was a GTX. Secondly, the color. Third, it was convertible. I mean, you got, as far as I'm concerned, the trifecta of Mopar right here. And look at this, folks. We already talked about that. It's a 440. Now, we go down this. I know we commented on the color off camera, but what color is this?
This is what they call a code B5 blue. And it turned out to be one of their very popular colors. And my wife and I loved the color when we saw it.
Oh, sure. It's gorgeous. Now, are these regular stock rims?
No.
Okay.
They are the same design as the stocks.
Okay.
But they're aftermarket.
Okay. So they'd be making them a little bit lighter, a little bit more durable, a little bit stronger, something like that?
A little bit wider for the back end.
Okay. Oh,
so
really?
Yeah.
Well, we love back end wide, too.
It's been, the car has been mini-tubbed in the back to accommodate for the bigger tires.
Well, let's make our way down there.
And the suspension.
This is cool. Can I open up the door?
Of course.
It opens like butter, I'm here to tell you. This is so neat. But a lot of times you see, like, you don't see wood grain is what I'm saying. Is this a stock looking interior?
Yes. The wood grain was an option trim for the car.
Now, Larry, what makes it the gentleman's muscle car? Is it just like a lot of fancy schmancy stuff in it, or what?
It had more quality built into it, and insulation and body fit and different things. The base engine was the 440. It had two of them, it had three of them.
Okay.
The 350 horse, the 375, and then the 6-valve engine. And then after that, it had just more quality things built into it, and the price tag was pretty significantly different
Than the Roadrunner?
Than the Roadrunner.
Okay.
This car new in '69 was over $5,200.
No kidding.
Yeah.
And Roadrunner was what, around $4,000, wasn't it?
Or under, yeah.
Now you said it's mini tubbed in the back, so I'm going to get down here. Look at this. This is just really well. Is this all original, or was this previously restored?
It's been restored.
Okay.
Years ago, it was a rotisserie car.
No kidding. Okay, that's very cool. That's not a cheap restoration.
No, it's not either.
Okay, gotcha. Oh, I see that. A little bit wider.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. And your car show chairs, your duster, and spare tire here, and that's very, very cool. Is this original style, Matt?
Yes.
Okay. That's neat.
I believe that is the original, actually.
It looks like it. A little weathered.
Mm-hmm.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's got a little patina.
Yeah, that's a little trunk patina.
There you go.
Nice. I like that. What's these vents right here? Is that air conditioning vents or something?
No,
Heater vents?
no. That's just a trim panel.
Okay. Oh, we have wheel well lights. Yeah, that's upscale, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Nice console there. All right. So I gotta ask him. Can we take a look at the engine?
Of course.
Of course. Stick around here. Only on Muscle Cars with Eric. So talk to us about the Mopar Wedge 440 engine.
Okay. 440 was their big engine and continued to be their largest displacement engine for a very, very long time. The Mopar, you know what that stands for, motor parts.
Right.
And that's how they marketed the thing.
Okay.
What else can I tell you about it?
I don't know.
Okay.
This is just, now, what makes it called the Wedge? Is it the style of the head, style of the engine?
The style of the head.
Okay.
Chrysler is well known for its 426 Hemi.
Right.
And that was the brute engine back in the day when this car was there. And it was available for this car. But it came with a 375 horse.
Okay.
440. It's been helped out a little bit, you know, with the standard things, carburation intake, headers, cam.
All right.
Odds and ends like that.
That's cool.
Help it out a little bit.
Well, Another question I have for you is,
Yes, sir.
a lot of fans like to hear a cold start video. Hear
Okay.
the engine fire up and a cold start, rev it a few times.
Yeah.
Can you do that for us?
You bet.
You bet, he says. All right, let her rip, Tater Chip. So here we are rolling around in a 1969 Plymouth GTX convertible in downtown Kingman, the heart of Route 66. I'll tell you what, man, life doesn't get much better than this, does it?
No, it doesn't. This is as good as it gets.
Exactly right. It's so cool. Oh my word. And now we're going to go experience something pretty cool that we haven't done before on the episodes of What's in Your Garage at the Bad Gas Garage sub-episodes, is roll underneath a beautiful Route 66 sign. So here we are downtown Kingman. I'll tell you, man, this car is so comfortable to ride in. You gotta love riding this car, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Man. So how much cruising do you get to do with this car?
A little bit. I won't say a whole lot.
Oh,
The car, when we bought it, was half race car, half a classic car. And it had a 500-inch engine in it that just wasn't what we wanted for a cruiser at all.
okay, cool.
So we took the 500-incher out. That was Chrysler's performance engine, cast iron block, all the goodies you can think of on the thing. And we went back to a standard 440, and have never regretted that.
Oh, nice. Very cool. Well, the 440, if I'm not mistaken, was the engine to beat, wasn't it?
It was. Yes, it was. Let's see if the header's clear here. Chrysler Registry.
Okay.
And it talks about how many cars are made and what the registry is all about, and you can take a look at what it says about it.
All right, well, it says this is dated July 3rd, 2001, so it's before you got it.
Yes.
It says, Dear Chrysler enthusiast, as the above date, all the following information is accurate to my knowledge. 1969 444 barrel Plymouth GTX convertible. The VIN is now in the Chrysler Registry. There were 540 1969 444 barrel Plymouth GTX convertibles built to specs for USA. 178 4-speeds and 362 automatics. Now, is this an automatic?
It is an automatic.
Okay, cool. As of the above date, is number 32 of 44 in sequence of 1969 444 barrel Plymouth GTX convertibles. Wow. So for more detailed production figures, including sales codes, prices, actually option accessories report, and this is sincerely Galen V. Govier, Chrysler Corporation.